Because I'm gonna do something that my sister is back. I have a twin sister.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. I know I just get up. It's 7:20. Nag-antipara ko guys kasi nag-antipara. I'm wearing this one, the glasses, because I was in my cell phone. I finally brought it here from the other house, and yeah, I just got up and it's 7:26. Tommy left really early. I think 3:30 this morning. He left 3:30 this morning, and I don't know why he do that. I told him you can leave here like 8 or 7 o'clock this time, this early in the morning, because you know my mother-in-law will go to work at we're go to dialysis like 8 something, so he has time to get ready over there. But no, he doesn't listen. Well, I understand because of the traffic, and I will tell you something. I think that was like 5. I don't look at what time, and I kind of like awake at 5 o'clock, and then I don't know if I'm dreaming or it happened in another dream. It's just I kind of like halfway sleeping, and I kind of like it's a really scary dream. Somebody opened the, you know, when you wake up and then you move, you twist your body, cover your face. That's what I did, like cover my face with a blanket, and when I face up and cover my face with a blanket, I kind of like a nightmare, like somebody like that. It's a woman. Open the door and just I can, even though I don't see that thing, I can hear the plop 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 plop, like you know, have a wings, like a walk walk guys. Galing siya from the laundry area to turning over here and go to me over there, and I was lying down over there, and I can just feel it. I can just feel the noise, like tuck 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 tuck, and then he's facing downward towards me. Oh my god, you know what I did? I said relax, because if you do like that, if you kind of like fight, and then it get worse. Yeah, I noticed that if you kind of fight to get rid of whatever you're dreaming, the nightmare you did, because seems like it's not a dream, guys. It's like I'm halfway asleep. It's not totally awake, not totally sleeping, but it's a really bad nightmare. So like, because I noticed that if you have a nightmare and then you fight for it, like oh my god, fight for it like that, and then you're strong, it get worse. Seems like they like it, like whatever, if it's the bad spirit, they like it. So what I did is just like I usually just like, because your mind is working, because you know you're not sleeping, and I just kind of like relax, Lord. I'm not gonna fight for it. I'm just gonna give my mind to happiness, and then it's slowly gone, and then suddenly. But you know what? While I have nightmare, I was able to move my hand. Like I can't move my whole body because I don't want to move, because I'm facing. I'm scared, so I can make sure that my body is still moving, that I'm not paralyzed. I do like this, and then I move my foot like that, and then that's it, like you know, and then suddenly I feel like it's calm already. I don't feel that whatever bad spirit anymore. I turn the side, because I have to avoid sleeping facing up, because it's like every time I do that, it kind of like there's always bad something happening. So anyway guys, good morning. I'm gonna have breakfast soon, very soon, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and then hold on.
Last year, Valentine.
Do you recognize that voice? I'm just watching Simply Race. So exciting every time she uploads a video. It makes me happy. I'm not really showered yet. Look at that. There's still snow in our back porch, and even in our backyard, still a bunch of snow. It's not melting most of the snow over there where the sun like hit the sun. That's where the snow melts, but there's still a lot of ice. It's ice because it was really cold yesterday. And let me see if my rice is still good, because it's been here since last week. Let's see. Rice, when it's in the refrigerator, doesn't really go bad, so I'm not worried. Did I bring it? I'm looking for my tripod. I have my thing over here. Hold on, guys. Oh, shocking. Because I know I'm going to film, but I don't know where. Excuse me. So that means I'm gonna get stinky morning here. Stinky morning, stinky. It's a lot of cellophane that you can't smell it. So anyway, guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna kill you now. Hey guys, I'm making the... Ito na guys, nagluluto na ako ng akits. Yung buwad. Oh, I forgot. I have to open this. I have to. Or this thing won't go away. Won't go away. And this one also open. Oh, I smell my coffee. You need to open this. That all the stinkiness of this. Not really. So, you know, when the house is closed and then you're making something that the making smell like dried fish or anything, or any of that smells, it's kind of annoying to smell it all the time. So, oh, Tommy, bring the milk. Oh, why he does that? Why he did it? Why he bring the milk? That's really important. I need those papers. Because that's why I'm worried every time there is important paper and he bring it with him. I kind of worried about that because he just put it everywhere. Me, I have file. I mean, you know, Tommy doesn't really file anything. Me, I have file for like tax and stuff. I miss my Tommy. I miss my kids. People ask me, guys. People ask me where I... What am I trying to say? Anyway, somebody asked me about where me and Tommy meet, and we meet online. And if you guys want to see a story time for me, you know, a story time about Tommy and I think I did made a video of that, but not totally about, you know, but there is some in the video, but I can make another story time about that, about me and Tommy. So yeah. Shower time now, guys. I'm just gonna leave the TV on. I lock the sliding door and I'm heading to my shower. I'm not gonna go play in the jacuzzi. I'm not gonna go swimming in my jacuzzi because I don't have time with that. I'm just gonna take a shower, take care of what I have to be done, because I have a lot of plan what I'm going to film. I wrote it down that I won't forget. Oh my god, I can't wait for the spring, summer so far that you know it every ride, and I'll be there. Because I don't wanna, in the summer it's really, how do you call that, it is really hot. In the spring I kinda really excited. My film. I kinda really excited for clearing up the garden. Okay, try. I'm going to try the automatic. Anyway, guys, I'm trying the automatic thing. It's Judge Judy, and Judge Judy said, "Don't call me Judge Judy. Don't call me Judge Judy. I know who I am." Hi, guys. I changed the setting on my camera. Let's see. I kinda don't like it, so it's fluorescent. So let me change it. Oh, turkey! Look, the turkey outside, guys. Look.
My day starts well before I'm even in the kitchen. I need my blood sugar to stay in control. So I asked about Tresiba. Tresiba is a one-stage...
Before filming, I have to write down because I'm gonna do something that my sister is back. Because, you know, guys, if you've been watching my vlog, you know that I have a twin sister. No, we talk sometimes. We talk sometimes, not all the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna write the script. If you know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna write the script and then film that, because it's been, I don't know when was the last time I was talking to my twin sister. There you go. Hello, comfy, comfy. Hello, comfy, comfy, comfy. Hello, ma. What do you want? I am making some for lunch. I don't really make it. I just gonna fry it. Fry the turon, tokaday, turon, and then I defrost some Sarangani Bay prime bangus, the bangusi. I defrost it because it's really hard. It's 4 pieces in there. That's good for a few days. And this is gonna be my lunch. Hi guys, I'm just watching the talk. I'm done filming. I just realized that I really like this dress. I don't even notice it. I got this online somewhere. I forgot. I think it's like $6, $7 online. I forgot to wear it. It's nice. The tag is still down out here, guys. Look, I don't know if you tag, where are you? Look, the tag is right here. Let me see. This is size medium. I am done filming for my no mirror makeup challenge, and what I'm going to do is transfer that clip into my laptop before I will delete it accidentally. Hi guys, it's so dark in here. Ay, ano ba to tawag sa Tagalog nito? Yung itong outlet na to, extension, para that I can plug my laptop. My laptop is super dead. I'm done editing the video, and now it's ready to upload. And while doing that upload, I'm gonna edit more video. I'm going to edit more vlogs, and the one that I edit today is the no mirror makeup challenge. Here I am ready, guys. Oh, I'm gonna lie down. Oh, nice. And laptop is right here. Anyway, blanket is right here, guys. Look. Okay. There you go. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog, and thank you guys so much all for watching to my vlog, and I really do appreciate it. I do appreciate it, guys, you know. I appreciate it so much, guys, and it makes me happy. I keep telling Tamihan, like, more people are like watching my vlogs, our vlogs. Actually, I keep saying now our vlogs because he is part of this vlog now. And anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Even though I'm lying down, thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, guys, on my next vlog. Good night, guys. Tomorrow is Tuesday, today is Monday, so yeah.